Hey, I'm Roberta from Email Tool Tester and welcome to our MailerLite review. This relatively young email tool has been growing rapidly over the last few years, becoming ever more popular. That, combined with its low prices, gave us enough reasons to see what all the fuss was about. Pricing is one of MailerLite's biggest advantages, offering a forever free plan with access to most features. Just be aware that this comes with a 12,000 email cap and 1,000 subscriber limit, and you'll have to put up with a small MailerLite ad in outgoing emails. Once you move on to a paid plan, prices don't shoot up like they sometimes do with other email marketing tools. For example, even at 20,000 subscribers, you can see it undercut much of the competition by half, boasting unlimited emails too. The clean simplicity is ever present within the dashboard menu, making it easy to navigate. You'll find all the basics here with past campaign overviews and other stats. You can also access campaign reports from here, otherwise these are accessible from the Campaigns menu. Simply click the top right button to create your first campaign. You can choose even from here what kind of campaign you want to create. We'll just look at a regular campaign for now. After inputting your info, you can choose to start from scratch or with a template. These are neatly categorized and are modern and attractive looking. Once you've decided, it's off to the editor. You'll find all the content blocks on the left, including e-commerce and special blocks like adding HTML code. You can edit the blocks you have in the email already on the right. It's all fairly straightforward. At the top, you can switch between mobile and desktop view. Once you're happy with your design, hit save. Unfortunately, there are no spam or design tests available, but you'll be able to send some test emails to yourself. Once you've selected the recipients, you'll be able to send now or schedule your campaign for a more optimal time. You also have the option of sending according to your subscriber's time zone. This is pretty neat if you have subscribers all over the world. With MailerLite's iPhone app, you can manage your emails and forms on the go. This should be available for Android soon. Another big advantage of using MailerLite is the variety of web forms available and its excellent landing page editor, which is even available on the free plan. Creating a landing page is much the same as creating a newsletter. This mirroring of design works really well for the user experience. In terms of blocks you can add, here you have a few more options at your disposal, such as testimonials, maps, and image carousels. Editing form fields is super simple, and you can add as many as you need. You can also design your success page from here too. Once you're done, set your SEO settings and your domain. Please note that only those on a paid plan can use a custom domain. Setting up and editing forms is a simple affair. First, decide between pop-ups, embedded forms, or promotions. I'm going to set up a pop-up form. Select the template you want to use and decide how it will look and behave on your site. On the next page, you can set the timings and where you want your pop-up to be visible or not. If your website is on Shopify or WordPress and you have the app or WordPress plugin installed, this will be added automatically. If not, then you'll need to add the JavaScript to your site, and this could prove a little complicated for beginners. MailerLite's automation workflow editor is really easy to use, however some might find that it's missing a few options. For example, you can only set up automated workflows based on a handful of triggers. For example, when subscribers join a group, click a link, or have a contact field updated. It lacks automations for more advanced triggers, such as when a user visits a page on your website. MailerLite regularly brings out updates and new features. One of these is its website builder. You can find this under the Sites tab. Editing your website is much like using the email or landing page editor. Switch between pages up here in the drop-down. Navigation settings can be found under Pages and Layout and Design settings under Settings. On the free plan, you're allowed up to 5 pages, though you'll have to use a generic domain like mysite.mailerlite.com. MailerLite is definitely one of the easiest email tools we've tested, and this comes from having a simple and consistently designed interface throughout. Allow me to quickly recap the pros and cons. We rate MailerLite for its generous forever free plan, and it's a very affordable paid plan for that matter. You also have a host of editing options available in the landing page and email editors. Plus, you can use your own domain for landing pages and sites for as little as $10 a month. So where don't we rate MailerLite so highly? If you're after advanced automations, you might find MailerLite to be lacking in this department. Advanced reporting, spam and design testing, and advanced list segmentation is also not something available in MailerLite. However, it's worth noting that you do still have some extra features such as team management and Google Analytics integration with MailerLite, so overall it's really not a bad deal for something you can use for free. If you can live without the pro features, for example if you're a small business or a blogger, then MailerLite would be a great option. So there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.